Ever stumble across a book in the Bible that feels like a secret level? That's 4 Ezra, a wild, mysterious, ancient text hidden in the shadows of Scripture. Today, I'm breaking it down step by step so you can finally make sense of this mind-bending book. First things first, 4 Ezra isn't in most Bibles. It's part of the Apocrypha, those ancient writings that didn't make the official cut. Some call it 2 Esdras, which is kinda confusing, but stick with me. This book was probably written around 100 AD, in a time of serious chaos for the Jewish people. Think the destruction of Jerusalem, the temple wiped out, and folks asking, where's God in all this? So, what's the story? The main character is Ezra, the same scribe from the Old Testament, but here, he's wrestling with some huge questions. The book kicks off with Ezra grieving over Israel's suffering. He's not just sad, he's frustrated. Why does God let bad things happen to good people? And that's when things get cosmic. An angel named Uriel shows up. Imagine the ultimate divine quanda session. Ezra starts throwing out his hardest questions and Uriel answers, but not always in ways you'd expect. Sometimes it's riddles, sometimes it's visions. We're talking about rivers on fire, women turning into cities, and a giant eagle with many heads. Yeah, it's that kind of book. The heart of 4 Ezra is this, wrestling with doubt. Ezra wants to know why evil exists, why God's people suffer, and what hope there is for the future. Uriel tells him that some mysteries are too big for humans, but then gives Ezra a glimpse of hope, a vision of a restored world where justice finally wins. In the final chapters, Ezra gets instructions to write down everything he's seen and heard, not just for his generation, but for future seekers who'll be asking the same questions. The book ends with a note of hope. Even when the world's falling apart, faith and searching for answers still matter. So why care about 4 Ezra? Because it's raw, honest, and asks the big why questions we all think about. It's a crash course in faith under fire, and proof that doubt isn't the opposite of belief. It's part of the journey. If you want more deep dives like this, hit that subscribe and drop your thoughts below. What book should I break down next?